The CATIA Stamping Designer role delivers high quality, right the first time tooling by guiding users from the conceptual planning to the detailed tooling design of complex stamped metal parts. With easy to use specialized features and wizards, best practices are ensured while helping the tooling designer to work productively on complex surfaces without being a surfacing expert. In this demo, we'll use the car body in white front panel consisting of two parts, the top and bottom. Here you can see the top and bottom parts. First, we determine the optimal stamping direction by analyzing the geometry, the draft, and the depth of the cut. This ensures the tool design is right the first time. The User Guidance Wizard makes positioning parts simple. Next, we use a robot to automate the positioning of the part on a press table. The part can now be automatically split and flanges defined by creating curves quickly with the chaining edges function. A simple sketch or 3D curve can be created which will automatically split the part boundary to create trim cuts. Based on the geometry that has been created with these sketches, the system will define all the trim lines and will create the position of the trim lines that will be used in many subsequent operations. Not only does this accelerate the creation process, but all geometry is associative, meaning it will adjust automatically to any changes, saving a great deal of time. We can quickly define the unfolded surfaces using the geometric algorithm and the K-factor value for the material. The blue area is the initial surface and the green one is the unfolded surfaces. Now we can plan different operations by selecting the elements from the list or from 3D. We can easily preview and change the concept tool design operations in the Process Wizard. You can see on the right the dialog box provided by the wizard. As you can see, we're not using the specification tree. All the functions and information are inside the wizard. There's also a function which automatically fills the holes, taking into account surface continuity. We can quickly create high-quality surface extensions with tangency or curvature continuity. This reduces the complexity and increases the quality of the surfaces, ensuring that the result facilitates downstream machining of the die. Now we can easily create a wall surface based on a simple sketch. Next, we can quickly define the position of each step individually on a custom press line. Once placed, we can automatically plan the detail scrap elements based on the conceptual process. The predicted scrap elements are seen here in red. By identifying this early in the process, we're avoiding the cost and delay of late design changes. Now we will illustrate a revision to the part, which has a new hole cut out. The overall process is updated. The new element for the cut is created automatically for the newly added hole. In the final step, the die tooling is created using the product template. The front panel die face is replaced in the die template. The result, high quality die geometry and right the first time tooling. You have seen how we can quickly and easily create high quality, right the first time tooling. You saw how users are guided from conceptual planning to detailed tooling of complex stamped metal parts without being a surfacing expert. The easy to use specialized features and wizards not only help simplify the task, but also ensure best practices are followed. The whole process takes place in CATIA, which removes the risk and delays of data translation. We have demonstrated the capability in 3D Experience CATIA, but the same capability is available for CATIA V5. Thanks for watching the demo. For further information, visit us at www.catia.com.